Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a Stegosaurus. Let's start off with a head by drawing a C shape just like this. Next, for the body, draw a line going to the right with a big bump for the back that curves up on the other side for the tail. To draw the legs, extend the line at the bottom end down and to the right. Then, turn into a thick, rounded rectangle for the leg. For the belly, draw a long line that curves down like so, followed by a taller, slightly curved rectangle with an open top for the hind leg. Then, a long curve going to the right that ends at the tip here to finish off the tail. And to draw the legs on the other side, just draw similar lines slightly to the left like so. For the plates on its back, draw a big diamond shape with part of the bottom stuck in the back. And then, draw similar shapes next to it that get smaller and smaller towards the head, and smaller on the other side towards the tail. At the end of the tail, draw two long spikes that go up and to the right, and two more that go up and to the left. This is called the thagomizer, which a Stegosaurus used to defend themselves from predators. Lastly, to finish off our Stegosaurus, all we need to do is dot the eye, and draw some arches on the feet for the toes. And now you've got a Stegosaurus.